Imagine walking into a bank. You meet a guy in a nice suit, he smiles, shakes your hand, and promises to grow your wealth. But here's the secret he won't tell you. He's charging you 1% of everything you own every single year just to click a few buttons on a spreadsheet. In the US alone, families are losing hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetime to management fees that don't even beat the market. But as we sit here in 2026, that era is officially over. A new force has arrived. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't have bad days, and it certainly doesn't charge you for a fancy office on Wall Street. I'm talking about AI portfolio managers. Platforms like AInvest and Kavout aren't just apps anymore. They are the new elite wealth advisors for the everyday person. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how these robots are outperforming humans, how they save you money on taxes while you sleep, and why, if you don't switch soon, you're basically leaving a fortune on the table. Welcome to Dishku Investing. I'm Dishku, and this is the future of your money. Let's get practical. Why is this happening right now? For decades, the wealth advisor was a gatekeeper. If you wanted a diversified portfolio, you had to pay the gatekeeper. Usually that fee is 1%. It sounds small, right? 1%? That's just a penny on the dollar. But let's do the math that the banks hope you never calculate. If you invest $100,000 and it grows at 7% for 30 years, you'd have about $760,000. But if you subtract that 1% fee, leaving you with 6% growth, you end up with only $574,000. That small 1% fee just cost you nearly $200,000. That's a house. That's a college education. That's a decade of early retirement. Human advisors often rely on static models. They check your account maybe once a quarter, or if you're lucky, once a month. In 2026, the US market moves in milliseconds. While your human advisor is at lunch, the market shifted, a tech bubble burst, or a crypto opportunity emerged. AI doesn't take lunch breaks. Traditional advisors are being replaced because they simply can't compete with the efficiency of scale. When you use a robo-advisor, you aren't paying for a human's mortgage or their secretary. You are paying for pure code. This shift is emotional for many because we've been told we need a human touch to manage money. But let's be real. Do you want a human touch or do you want more money in your bank account? In the US, beginners are realizing that the prestige of a private wealth manager is a vanity metric. True wealth isn't about who manages your money, it's about how much of that money stays with you. Now, let's talk about the secret weapons that make AI so much better for your wallet. It comes down to two things: auto-rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. First, rebalancing. Imagine you want your portfolio to be 60% stocks and 40% bonds. If stocks have a great month, suddenly you're at 70% stocks. Now you're taking too much risk. A human might notice this in 3 months. An AI like Kavout sees this instantly and sells just enough stock to buy bonds, locking in your gains and keeping your risk exactly where you want it. It's like having a gardener who trims your hedges every single day instead of once a year. But the real game changer is tax loss harvesting. This is the ultimate cheat code for US investors. In the US, if you sell an investment for a loss, you can use that loss to offset your taxes on your gains or even your income. Normally, this is a nightmare to track. You'd need an accountant and dozens of hours. But AI portfolio managers do this automatically. If a specific stock dips, the AI sells it to realize the loss for your tax return and immediately buys a similar but not identical investment so your portfolio stays the same. You've kept your market position, but you've created a tax shield. For an everyday person in a mid to high tax bracket, this feature alone can add 1 to 2% to your annual returns. That effectively pays for the service and then some. It's not just about what you earn, it's about what you keep. While human advisors are still manually reviewing tax forms at the end of the year, AI is harvesting those savings for you every single day the market is open.
So, you're ready to fire your expensive advisor. Who do you hire instead? In 2026, we have incredible options tailored for the US audience. Let's look at AInvest. This is perfect for the person who wants to be hands-off but still wants institutional-grade data. It uses big data to scan market trends and suggest moves that used to require a team of analysts. It's simple, clean, and built for the mobile-first generation. Then there's Kavout. If you're someone who likes a bit more alpha or edge, Kavout uses what they call a K-score. It's a predictive model that ranks stocks based on a massive amount of real-time data. It's like having a supercomputer that tells you which stocks have the highest probability of winning this week. But wait, what about the old school names? Even giants like Betterment and Wealthfront have upgraded their systems to compete. The beauty of 2026 is that the competition has driven fees to nearly zero. If you're a beginner, my advice is simple. Start where you feel comfortable. You don't need $100,000 to start. Many of these AI managers allow you to begin with as little as $100. Think about the psychological relief. No more awkward phone calls with an advisor who's trying to sell you a high-commission life insurance policy. No more wondering if your guy is actually looking at your account. You have a transparent 24/7 dashboard that shows you exactly what you own and why. The wealth advisor of the past was for the 1%. The AI portfolio manager of today is for the 100%. Whether you're a teacher, a nurse, or a retail worker, you now have access to the same technology that used to be reserved for billionaires. That is the democratization of wealth, and it's happening right in your pocket. I know, big data and K-scores sound like something out of a sci-fi movie. So let's bring this down to earth with a story about a couple I know. Let's call them Sarah and Marcus. Sarah is a nurse in Austin, and Marcus is a freelance graphic designer. For years, they had a wealth advisor at a local branch. They liked him. He sent them Christmas cards. But every time the market got shaky, like during a sudden tech dip, Sarah would get anxious. She'd call her advisor, but he was in a meeting or out of the office for the weekend. By the time they talked on Tuesday, the opportunity to buy the dip or protect their gains had passed. Plus, they were paying that 1% fee. On their $50,000 nest egg, that was $500 a year. It doesn't sound like much until you realize that $500 could have been 5 shares of their favorite stock or a nice anniversary dinner. Last year, they fired the suit and switched to an AI portfolio manager. Fast forward to a random Thursday, Marcus is at a coffee shop and Sarah is on a double shift. Neither of them is looking at the market. Suddenly, a major retail company reports bad earnings and the sector drops. Within seconds, the AI sees that Sarah and Marcus are now underweight in retail and overweight in energy. Without Sarah lifting a finger or Marcus putting down his coffee, the AI executes a series of trades. It sells a tiny bit of the winning energy stocks, taking profit, and buys the retail stocks at a discount, buying the dip. When Sarah checked her phone during her lunch break, she didn't see a missed call from a worried advisor. She saw a notification, portfolio rebalanced, $42 in tax savings harvested. That is the relatability gap. A human advisor is a person with a schedule, a mortgage, and a limited brain capacity. An AI manager is a digital guardian that treats your $5,000 account with the same intensity and precision that a Wall Street firm treats a $50 million account. For Sarah and Marcus, it wasn't just about the money, it was about the peace of mind. They stopped worrying about the market because they knew their digital partner was watching the screen, so they didn't have to. The future doesn't wait for anyone. Stop letting high fees bleed your retirement dry. Check the links in the description to see my top-rated AI investing tools for 2026. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Dishku Investing. Let's grow that wealth together. I'm Dishku. See you in the next one.